This video shows how to replace a faulted SFP network interface module in your PowerMax in response to an automatic SFP part and email dispatch. To begin, go to Unisphere for PowerMax. Select the PowerMax and from the left side panel, expand the system and select Physical View. The Physical View page is displayed, and from here, you can view the hardware of the selected PowerMax along with its associated components. Click Replace Faulted SFPs. A dialog containing a list of faulted SFPs is displayed. Select a faulted SFP instance and click Run Now. A warning message is displayed. Be sure to read and understand it before clicking OK. Zoom in and scroll to see the faulted SFP more clearly. Optionally, you can click Export to create a JPEG that you can print and take to the system for reference. Note, you have 1 hour to complete this task before the replacement is automatically stopped. Now, let's go to the system. Identify the SFP to be replaced. Disconnect any cables that are connected to the faulted SFP. Gently pull in the spring release latch and then carefully pull out on the SFP module while continuing to hold onto the latch. Be careful not to remove the I/O module because, depending on the path and redundancy configuration, this may cause impact to any non-redundant paths on the affected I/O module. To install the new SFP module, carefully slide the new SFP into the port until it is securely connected, and then reconnect the cable to the replacement SFP module. With the replacement complete, go back to Unisphere for PowerMax and click Mark as completed. Click OK when the task is completed. With that, the faulted SFP has been successfully replaced. Additional information on PowerMax and Unisphere for PowerMax features and functionality is available at the PowerMax Content Info Hub.